how to force sync shortcuts to watch on the iPhone 16 series. First, let's return back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. And from the home screen, tap on Settings. Then in the main settings page, we scroll down to the bottom and tap on Developer. If you do not have the developer option, you can turn it on by going into Privacy and Security. Then we scroll down to the bottom and tap on Developer Mode. In here, make sure you switch on Developer Mode. Then we go back into Settings and tap on Developer. Now in here, we scroll down and then tap on Force Sync Shortcuts to Watch. So say that to force sync shortcuts, make sure Apple Watch is connected to its charger. So you can then, once it is connected to the chargers, you can then force sync shortcuts to watch. And that's it. After that, you can swipe up to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.